Hey guys, what we have today is a repair. It's a shingle repair because of the last wind storm we had. It lifted up some of our shingles here on our roof. So thought I'd go ahead and repair it today and also take a little short video of things that you would need and how to repair it. So we'll start off and I'll try to do my best to get all the information for you while I'm doing this repair, and also try to take some pretty good footage with one hand and the other hand doing the work. So bear with me and I'll try to show you how to do this repair. Now what you'll need is some type of pry bar and definitely some rubber gloves, because you'll need it because of the roofing tar that you could be using. It's good to have like a little brush in case there's like debris and stuff you have to brush away, so that the tar will actually stick better to the shingles. You'll need some plastic bags or some form of plastic, because it's kind of thick. What I'm going to be using is actually sandwich bags, and I'll show you in the video what I'll be using those for. And you want to get some roofing shingle, like tar stuff. This is one I'm using. It's called Plastic Roof Cement number 15 by Roofer's Choice. And I was told that this is actually really good. It's really cheap. I got this one, I believe it was at Home Depot if I'm not mistaken. And they said a lot of professionals use it, and you don't have to really pay for the name brand. And then I'm also going to use the DAP Clear. Let me see if I can get that clear for you. All-purpose latex, and now this is exterior and interior, as you can see right there. Now I'll show you what I'll be using this one for, and you do want clear. So this one's going to be the Roofer's Choice one, is black. I'm not sure if they have other colors, but black is fine because it's going to be underneath the shingle. But this one, I'll show you what I'll be using this one for, so that you want to use clear so that it's not noticeable. Okay, need some paper towels to wipe up some of the mess or extra roofing tar or caulking that you have that might be all over the place. And you need a couple of spatulas. I'm sorry, not spatulas. These are called putty knives, I believe they're called. You can have a plastic one and a metal one. So whichever you have, use it. I think the metal one would be better to scrape, to kind of like lift up some of the shingles, because you're gonna have to break some of the tar if you're gonna get to some that are kind of loose. So you could go ahead and caulk underneath those. Okay, and that's basically it. Now I'll go ahead and show you what we're working with. Okay, as you can see on this one, see there's some cracking because the wind, slapping it up and back and forth, but it's still pretty sturdy on there. But right here in this cracking area, I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and use the clear caulking on that, so that it won't be too visible. And then, see, there's some more on this side. So you can see this one's kind of raising up there, and this one, and these are pretty good. This one's a little bit, and that one's a little bit. So we can do quite a few of them, but I'm just going to do a couple of them and show you how it's done. Okay? And so far, if this is something that will be useful for you guys, and I'm sure that this will be some good information for you, and I'm sure you could do it yourself, but just let you know, you do this at your own risk. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So definitely take precautions when you're climbing on the roof of any house. Mine's only a one-story, and I'm not too comfortable going on top of the roof, to be honest, but it can be done. But you have to be safe. And one thing I would suggest is definitely wear pants and long sleeve shirt, because in case for some reason you slide or something like that, you won't scrape any of your skin and so on. And then also wear some really gummy shoes, definitely tennis shoes. You don't want to wear slippers or boots or anything like that. You want to wear something that has really kind of a stickier sole. Just regular tennis shoes. I mean, I have some beat up tennis shoes I'm using right now, and it works pretty good, but nothing that's going to be too slippery. Okay, all right, let me go ahead and get everything together, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Okay, we'll start with this one. So what you want to do first is lift this part up, okay? And then you're gonna caulk, and I'll try to do this. Let me go get something I could get something to hold this up. See, one moment. Okay, what I'm gonna be using is like I think it's called an icing spreader, but there's so many uses for this. Even screen printers use this to put paint on the screens and so on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this up with this and kind of just angle up a little bit. Don't want to break the shingle, but I want to lift it up enough to where it's gonna hold it so I could record it for you guys. So I'm just gonna do this one, and see right there. I'm gonna be using the roofer's choice first. So, and you need of course a caulking gun. And let's get this started. There you go. Let's see here. There you go. Now you want to go like this, okay? If you can see it, I hope. You want to go around the edge, like so. Okay, just a pretty decent bead. Okay, and then you're going to go all the way up to there. Okay, now you want to make a bead. You want to be flat. Sorry if you're not seeing this. I'm trying to do this plus be safe. Okay. Okay. You see that? Then you want to I'll go across in the top here. Just like that. Just kind of, and that'd be perfect. Like so. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to go and twist this. There you go. There. So, show you what it looks like. Got kind of messy a little bit, but hey, I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, so around the edge, like that. And then, okay. And then I'll show you when I put it down. Just give me a second here. Okay, so kind of get an idea. Put it all around there. Now you don't want to go past, of course, this line right here, because then you don't want the tar to be seen. And that's why you want to get plastic bags. Another reason, so that when you're done using caulking gun with the tar, you want to go ahead and put it in there so it doesn't go all over the roof like that. But hey, it's kind of hard to work with one hand, so doing this for you guys. So definitely give it a like, share, subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. And I really would appreciate it. So, okay, so finishing off with this. So we're gonna go put this down, and all you do, you don't have to press it too hard. Just give it a little pat. So yeah, you want to, overwork the tile, or well, not tile. I'm sorry, the shingle. Okay, and it's a hot day today. That's the best time to work on it because then it will stick really well. See? Okay. Now kind of come off a little bit on the side, but that's okay. It's all good. A little bit's okay. It's better to have enough on there so that it doesn't come off with another bad rim or wind or hailstorm. Okay, so just go all the way around. Okay, like that. And you're done. But no, just kidding. Now this part up here, this is where you want to use the clear caulking so that it's not going to be like a big old wad of black caulking up there. So I'll show you that one right now. Okay, now right here is where you use the clear caulking gun. Try to do both at the same time, plus look at it because I don't want to put too much. So you just want to put a little bit just so that it won't, that crack won't get worse. Okay. Hopefully the footage is not too bad. I know it's not even, but you don't want to put too much. I'm trying to be go very sparingly, not too much. There you go. And then just twist this caulking gun. Sorry about that. And then use this plastic bag right here. And then all you do, show you here, use the inside because I'm gonna put the gun inside there. Just go here, just slide on there like that, because it's gonna dry clear. See? So just make it nice and flat. It might not look good now, but when it dries, you won't even notice it. like that. See? Then when it dries, you may still see the little black crease, but it's not going to be too bad. There you go. There you go. And there you have it. Okay guys, so basically that's it. And you're done. And you save yourself, I'm sure, quite a bit of money, because I know that I had a roofer come by and take a look at my roof to see if it was really badly damaged enough to have like a new roof put in. They said no, because it's just a few shingles lifted. But thing is, he said that if they were to come over here and repair these few shingles, it's going to be a minimum of $500, and I don't even think that's even including the travel or the materials or anything. It's just minimum $500. So hey, if I could do this, you guys definitely could do this. And if you're not afraid of heights, you definitely can do this. So all right guys, well hopefully this was pretty informational for you guys. It's really easy to do. It's just to get the right caulking, tar, and then you get the clear one for the top like I'm showing you here. So you see it's already starting to go invisible. Well, not invisible, but clear. And you do this yourself, and it's very sturdy. I done one tile, I think a couple years ago, I think about 3 years ago, with that tar, and it doesn't budge. I just checked it before I did this video, and it's really good. So yeah, tar is good, and we went through a lot of hailstorms and windstorms, and it stayed down. It was flapping too, like this one was. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and end this video. Don't want to make it longer than I need to, but thank you for watching, and just want to ask you again if you could subscribe. It really help us out a lot. Give it a like, share, and hey, if you did try this technique, let me know in the comment section, and let me know how it went for you, and and if it was kind of scary for you as well, or if you enjoyed it. But hey, anyone could do this. You could do it. So have fun with it. I wish you the best on your project, and have a blessed day. Until next time, guys. Bye.